the beginning sounds. Beginning, umpisa.
Okay.
Oh, very good. What letter is
A.
Oh, that's it.
Sorry, Mom.
Oh, go
Wait,
next.
sorry, Mom.
Okay, it's okay. Oh, next. Number 6.
Number 6.
What's that?
Hat.
Oh.
Heart.
Oh, ha. What letter is that? When we say ha.
Heart.
Very good.
Heart.
Yes.
Okay.
Good job. Okay. Number
Mama,
7.
Wait, wag na lang yes ito.
Okay. Number 7, sorry. Number 7. It's a gun.
Gun.
Oh. What's the beginning sounds?
Hindi yung ito.
Hindi blaster. Gun muna yan. Gun. What's the beginning sounds?
Ito.
I'm asking you beginning sounds.
Go.
Oh, ga. What letter is that?
6.
Ano 6?
D.
G.
D.
Ay. Ga. What's the sounds of D ba?
B.
Eric, what's the sounds of B?
Go.
What's the sounds of B? Sounds of B.
Ba.
Oh, it's not B. Sabi mo, ga. What's the sounds of D?
D.
What's the sounds of D?
D. Okay. I know that ako.
Oh, what's the answer na? Tell me na ga. What letter is that ga?
Gun. Wait.
Gun. Ga.
6.
Hindi yung 6, G. It's letter G.
G.
Oh, you circle G. Eric, you need to practice more, ha?
Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Dali na, circle mo na.
Ito?
Opo.
Okay.
Good job. Up here. Practice pa tayo, ha? Practice pa tayo. Up here.
Sorry. X.
Up here.
I want to start.
Oh, dali. Dali, come here muna. Tell me.
Name ko.
Eric. Sige, you put your name. Sige, sorry. Ala, it's so big naman. I want small lang. Small letter lang. Very good. Very good. It's Eric. What's that?
Name ko. Hindi. Papa ko and mama ko. And ako. Big ako.
Okay. And who's that?
Papa ko.
Okay. Good job. And who's that?
Father.
Father?
Opo.
Di ba father mo si Papa? Sinong father?
Ito.
Oh, si Papa mo na yung father, di ba?
Mother.
Ha?
Mother.
I'm your mother.
Sister.
You don't have sister, hey.
Dito!
Sino ba yan?
Sister.
You don't have sister. Eric, do you have a sister?
No.
Oh, why you're drawing sister, hala? Wala kang sister.
Okay, shall we?
Okay. Erase mo na yun, erase mo na yun. Wala ka namang sister eh. Hindi, ganun mo na lang. Oh, it's okay. Sino na lang yan? Sino na lang yan? Girl.
Yaya Esther.
Okay, si Lola Esther na lang. Okay.